friends, now you're seeing this tech channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a current detector using BC547 transistors. So let's get started guys. You need two BC547 transistors and you can see, and then an LED any color you can see, and a copper wire guys. You can mold it like this spring like structure, you can make this, and a battery clip. You can see 9 volts battery clip and a 9 volts battery you need guys for this project. You can see 9 volts battery, you can see. So without wasting time, so let's get started guys. So first you have to know the connections guys. You can see guys, I connected two BC547 transistors. You can see the base pin of one of the transistor, it is connected to the emitter pin of another transistor, and then collector pin of one of the transistor to the collector pin of another transistor. You can see the connection. You can see guys, BC547 transistors to transistors. You can see very easy connection guys. You can understand this. You can see, and then I am keeping on my clip. Now we are going to solder the LED. You can see, take any color or any color LED. You can see you have to know the plus and minus. You can see, yes guys. You can see now I am going to solder this. You can see one of the transistors emitter pin I am soldering with the LED plus. You can see emitter pin to LED plus. You can see guys, that's the LED plus I am soldering with emitter pin of one of the transistor. You can see like that we have to solder guys. And then you can see, take a battery clip, 9 volts battery clip, connect the minus wire of the battery clip to the minus of the LED. You can see like that you have to connect, and then take the plus wire and then connect to the, you can see we made now guys first loop connect to that. You can see collector pin and collector pin we made a loop. You can see we have to connect, and then take the wire, you can see, and then connect to the base pin of one of the transistor. You can see base pin. You can see the full circuit is ready now. You can see we have to connect the power supply and it will work fine guys. You can see now I am going to connect the 9 volts battery. You can see guys, 9 volts battery. I connected 9 volts battery, and then we will going to test this. So let's see. So guys, you can see it's working fine. You can see guys, when I keep nearer to the wire it's working guys. So thanks for watching.